success to starting off a good morning. So the success to a good morning is having a really good playlist. So currently on my playlist, I'm listening to an album called Half God, Half Devil. Oh no, that's not it. So the best way to get going in the morning, especially when you have to go to a 9 a.m. class, is to have a really good playlist to get you going in the morning. So I have a playlist on Spotify called Joan of Arc, inspired by the song Joan of Arc from In This Moment off their new album Rituals. And that's just one of those songs that like just gets you going up in the morning, just keeps you going.
All right, Chad, let's go. Yeah, that's his poopy bag. He's a big dog and he poops like a monster. So before I could go meet Uncle T for some business, I gotta walk the pooch. Oh man. When you get a dog, guys, it's a big responsibility. It's like having a kid. You gotta walk him, get some exercise, walk him here in the neighborhood. Come on, Chow, hurry up. We got a business meeting.
Another song off that playlist is a song by Korn called Take Me, and it's off their latest album. And that's another high energy song that just, you know, you're listening to it and you can't help but be in a good mood. So if you're interested in following my playlist called Joan of Arc, check me out on Spotify. I look forward to hearing what you guys like. So some of you may be wondering, Joan of Arc as a playlist name? Like, that's kind of weird. So how I like to name my playlist is I like to pick a song that really captures the essence of the playlist. So hence Joan of Arc being the name of the song that really captured and inspired me to even make this playlist. So I'd look forward to hear what you guys think about it. Shout me out some comments. Let me know what else you think should be on the playlist. Pretty good. There's no chat at rush hour. That takes me at least a good 10 minutes.
When you go to a whiskey bar, you gotta get an old fashioned.
Right?
And steak and eggs.
Steak and egg.
Steak and eggs.
Cheers.
Nothing like a good old fashioned. So I'm here with Uncle T, Tony Gill, and we're gonna talk business.
That's a good one.
The vlog life. Medium well. It's still moving.
Holy shit, that's red.
Yep. I don't like my meat moving. I like it cooked
Red.
and tasting good. He likes it bloody.
Might be a little too bloody.
Yeah, gross. Here at R&R, I have to say they have a pretty decent menu. It's pretty good food. The old fashioned was delicious. My steak was delicious. I just don't know what was in the egg thing. So, yeah, didn't like it. This is good. If I had to rate it, how many icon stars this gets? 4 out of 5. Mainly because my grits.
You could go to Sino's and order one more drink and get some B-roll shots.
I'm down to go to Sino's. I want to show them Sino's, yeah.
Okay,
Unless you gotta be home.
No?
I don't have to be home. I'm off the leash today. to order? What to order? They spilled. Did you get it? You're gonna behave at the vet? The alarm's still going off because it thinks you're a human. I know, but they're not gonna stick a needle. No, you're just gonna go for a checkup for your big crusty ears because you have an ear infection. Yeah, old man Chow. Chowder, Chow, where we going? Where we going, buddy? Huh? Chow, you hear that noise? That noise is a car thinking you're a human because you're so large. Look at this. He's a big dog. Oh, here's that Chow. Ooh, Chowder's going to the doctor today. Yeah, I know you don't want to go to the doctor, buddy. I know. You're like Dad. Dad hates the doctors too.